Hello everyone, welcome back. And in this episode here, this is my Father's Day gift that I got for myself. And as you know, some of you seen from my previous episode, I got a tool chest. Put a link up there for you to see that. Anyways, anybody, for those of you who are coming back, welcome back. Thank you, appreciate it. Anybody new out there? This is all unedited, uncut, raw footage in first-person view. And so my videos are typically long, and because of that, feel free to skip through, go to the end of this video or the end of the episode series. If there's more than one video, more than one episode, I'll put a playlist at the beginning. Feel free to click on that. That's if you're on your computer. If you're watching from mobile, I don't know what to say. Nothing will show up for you guys. And there's no coupon for this that I saw. Basically, it was on sale, and I used the 25% discount on this, so it brought it down quite a bit. And I think for what I'm getting here, you know, it's a wonderful deal. Anyways, this is the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty. It's the 301 mechanics toolbox. And I don't need a hammer, I don't need any of that other stuff. I thought about getting the, what do they have, a 100-piece tool set, you know, and all that other stuff. I already got some of those tools. I'm specifically looking for, you know, socket sets here. And this has pretty much all of it. So instead of me just buying all these all the time, I'm just going to get it. And I'm going to put it in my tool chest. So let's take a look at the box here a little bit. It's pretty big and pretty heavy. Before I made that purchase to get this thing, there we go. There's a picture of it in front. A little bit better. And it comes with a half-inch drive, as you see here. Half-inch drive, 3/8 drive, and half-inch, quarter-inch, 3/8, half-inch drive. Has all the screwdriver bits, hex bits, star bits, precision screwdrivers, the adapters, regular, deep wall, all different size. You know, the smaller size go with the quarter-inch, the medium sizes would go to the 3/8, and then the larger size sockets work with the half-inch. And then you got your extension, supposedly some breaker bars, pliers. One of these, I forgot what you call them, but Allen wrenches, geez, just swivel adapters, just a lot of stuff. And this is going to be the one that is for my garage. It's not going to go anywhere. It's never going to leave this garage, or it's not going to leave my tool chest, that's for sure. I might take my tool chest around my neighborhood, helping people, but it's not gonna. This is not for portability. And then here's what it looks like. There we go. If y'all can see that, yeah, there you go. It's So it's not for portability, and apparently it comes with this. As you can see, the box is big. When I take this off, you'll basically see the hinges back here. You'll see the top portion and the bottom portion being a lot bigger. So this is kind of what it'll look like. I hope that's what it'll look like. As you notice, I'm wearing my cleaner gloves. This is clean after, the tool chest. But my plan is to put this in my tool chest. And I have an idea on how I'm going to do that. I made sure that this fits. First of all, I made sure that this would fit on the bottom chest of the 3-part tool chest that I bought, the 11-inch, 30-inch 11 drawer. It's not even really 30 inches. It's more like 27. But I do have an idea. I know that this size fits. I went to the store. I opened up the display. I opened up the bottom drawers. Those are the bigger ones, and I made sure that this box fits in the drawers at least. At least this thing fits at the bottom where it's open, and so it does. And I have an idea of how I'm going to do this. I'm going to take these out and put them in the drawers. Is my plan, and they make nice little places to put, all organized, all set. I didn't want to buy the socket organizer kits that you can buy, because I would rather use this as a tray instead of taking all this and getting socket kits and everything. So that's what one side looks like. Let's just keep flipping it over, see what the other side looks like, shall we? Okay, that looks the same. Let's do this the other way now. Okay, and that just tells you what's all in there. As you can see, it's a lot. So there's a set that's just for the 1/2-inch drive. There's sets for the 3/8 drive, and there's sets specifically for the 1/4-inch drive, which it can be good, because I just want to give you a heads up. I'm working on my trailer, and I could have used. There was a situation where I could have used the 1/4-inch drive. It just would have worked out a lot better. I was in a tight spot. Instead of getting what I have now, which is nothing. All I have is 3/8 drive and a 1/4-inch adapter, but that made it too long. I couldn't use it. So it's really handy to have an actual just 1/4-inch drive set, so you don't have to use an adapter. It's make it longer than it has to be, especially if you need to get into tight spots. So, but it has all the hex keys, and then wrenches. So, anyways, it's a lot, and but this is my Father's Day gift to me, just for me, yeah. This is what I wanted to get, and I got it. There's only one in the store that I saw on the shelf, so I said, you know what, I'm going to get it, because I know a lot of people are going in for the parking lot sale, and it was pretty busy. I went in there to get some electrical tape, so this is the only thing I got from the parking lot sale. They had 10 of these for $4, I think. So I just went ahead and got this and added this to my tool chest and everything. And always helpful to have that. Anyways, let's see where the handle is and where the okay. This is kind of weird how it's set up. The hinges are here at the bottom, and so let's just go ahead and let's take it out of the packaging here, and you'll see what I'm talking about. I like the case, but unfortunately I'm gonna have to take this case apart because I don't intend to ever use this for portability, but what I noticed was, you know, here are the hinges for it, as you see right here. Well, if this is the bottom, isn't it kind of weird to, you know, how's it gonna stand? It's kind of weird the way it stands up. So kind of weird. I guess it's not meant to really do that. It's meant to sit down right here, and there's what it looks like here. So let's open it up. Oh man, I've been waiting. I got this in the morning. It's what time is it now? It's like 10. It's almost 10:30 at night. I've been waiting all day to open this, and then it's really a nice case, but you know, I'm not going to be using this case, unfortunately. Wow. So this is what I was talking about, the bottom portion here. Let me see here. Of course, let me illuminate so a little bit better so you guys can see. So the bottom is bigger than the top. My plan is to use the case as a tray to put in my drawer chest, and the problem is this part right here is bigger than the drawers, so I'm gonna have to do some modification. I may have to cut it because there is a socket set on the bottom portion of it, as you see right here. Oh, I'll just take that away. So this is the socket set on the bottom portion. I'll check when I open it. This is the top. So the top, I'm hoping, is small enough for me to put in somewhere else. Everything else, I have 3 drawers on the bottom. This is where I'm going to keep most of my sockets because the bottom ain't going nowhere. Okay, so let's take a look, shall we? Okay, let me pan you up a little bit. I wanted to tilt on something. I just can't find anything to tilt it on. Alright, there we go. There you go. Are you seeing that? So they're not too bad, you know. It is just another set for me, but again, this is never going to leave my tool chest. Hopefully never really leave my garage either. So man, just so much to look at. Looks like I'm missing something right here. It may have just fallen. Is it me, or am I actually missing something right here? I might be missing something. So that's the 3, 1.5, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4. I'm missing another 1, 5, and a 3. So I'm already missing a tool. Here, I'll take you out for it. Excuse me. So there you go. I'm already missing something. If you're able to see that. The spot right here. There's a slot open. Maybe it fell out, so I'm gonna see if that's. Oh, yeah, here it is. Here it is. Spoke too soon. Found it. So that's kind of why I like the whole tray concept, is that if there's a spot missing, it's even, if you look here really close, it's it's labeled in the plastic case right here. So that's why I like, this is a really nice case as far as organization goes. But then again, I've never seen another one, so this is my first one for me. Okay, there we go. Now we're at a complete set here. Sure, it's been moved around a couple times. Okay, very long screwdrivers. Whatever this is. So this is basically your adjustable wrench, pliers, your plier set. Let's just take a look at some of the pliers real quick. Just wondering how. Some people are really anal about this, being, you know, that the teeth has to match up. There's no gaps whatsoever, you know, but in the end, if it does the job, like, who cares? So there you go. You know, I think it'll work for me. Anyways, this isn't that, like, you know, high-end brand. Oops. God, I had it propped up. Anyways, let's go ahead and put you guys back in. Well, let's just do it from here. That's fine. Maybe the lighting's better. So, anyways. Okay, and then there's your Allen wrenches. A lot of oil, as I would expect. Let's see what kind of Allen wrenches we're going to get here. It's just in here, that's all it is. I don't know what size these are. Doesn't even say, but they're in here. There's no indication of any sizes on these, so anyways, I'll play with this a little bit later. Let's put that right back if I can somehow. Alright, well, anyway, that's enough for the top portion. Let's get you back in here. Maybe bring you up a little bit closer. Excuse me. Okay. I'll pop you back in. I'm just going to have to pan you in and out. Alright, so that's a little practice. Alright, okay. So let's see what we've got here. Okay. Wow. Wow, very nice. Very nice. So this is one of the trays here. Let me see if I can pull you out just a little bit more so you guys can see this. So don't mind the noise here. Just trying to get you a better view. sir. And that's the best I can do here for you guys. Let's see what happens if I turn off this light. A little bit better. Okay. Not so much glare. But you guys can still see. So here's basically the wrench. Okay, so there's all the sizes here. More Allen wrenches, I'm assuming. Let's see, this is a flashlight. Metric on this side. Standard size on this. Actually says what it is here. And there's little marks on the... there you go. I don't know if you can see that. You can't. Oh, there you go. There's a little marks on them. They're really small. It's really snap into place really good. And same thing on here. This is the metric 6 through 1.5. Just kind of show you that there's some markings on them, so they are identifiable if you need to grab them. They're a little bit different in color. I don't know if you noticed that, but this one is black. This is more chrome looking. So let's open this up now. Seems like you just pop it. I hope that's all you do is just open this up. It's not like this stuff comes with any directions or anything, but still, you should be able to just... There we go. Open up. Some of it's still a little loose. But here's what we got. We got, looks like the hex bits here. And up here on top is the standard. They got little marks to show. I'll take you out once I do that. More hex bits. And these are the metric here. So this row's a metric, standard, and they're all marked. And then, oh man, star bits. And looks like from T10 here to T70. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 30, 50, 45, 40, 60, 70. And then here are, okay, other bits put on for the sockets. Looks like this goes to quarter inch maybe. So you got different size flatheads to number 1, number 2, 3, and S1 to S2, S3. Okay. Alright, so here's your 1/4 inch adapter that swivels to your 3/8 adapter that swivels. Says it here 1/4, 3/8, 1/2 inch. Then here's your E sockets. Yep. If I can take them out. This plastic's kind of in the way here. Okay. Here's your E sockets here. Never had to run into doing one of these, but I guess you never know. At least I'll have them, so I don't have to run to the store and get these things. So far, very nice, very nice. And it's marked as, I don't know if there's something to this. No, just got to push it in. Just got to push it in hard. At least it won't flop out. So there you go. And you got metric 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 to 3/8, 7/16, half inch, 9/16 to 5/8. So even says it here. It's marked. Very good, very nice. So that's one of the trays here. Let's pull this out and just move this aside here. Okay. Oh man, this is just. I'll just put this right on top of here. I had one of my neighbor friends here over, and he saw this, and he was drooling over this, and he wanted to open it. I said, no. This is my Father's Day gift to me. I haven't even opened it yet. Don't open it, And he respected that. So I told him, hey, you could. I don't mind you looking at it. It's just you can look at it after I looked at it. Just one of those things where this is your Father's Day gift. You wanna open it and take a look. So okay. So these are your deep wall. These are your socket sets here. It looks like for the most part. They're labeled here. Extension bars. Let me see this. An adapter. So, and where's your other adapter? So other adapter here and here. You know what? I told you I'd take you out and give you a better look on that last one. Sorry about that. Here, let me put that one back and put this one back here so you guys can take a look. I'm sure you want to know if you're ever interested in this kind of set. So there you go. Here's the different wrenches here. And then your metric hex wrenches, your standard, and let me see here if I can pop this out with one hand now. That's easier the second time. But here you go. That's what these look like, and there you see the labeling. You see here. These are your hex sockets. Just giving you an idea. Metric over here, and you see that they're labeled. Although these are called H12 and H14. So here you go. Metric sizes. And then you got your star bits again, and looks like the T's. And then your just screwdriver tips here, different sizes. And then number one, screwdrivers, 1s, 2s, 3s, and your squares. Square 1, 2, 3. Then you have your 3 adapter swivels, or whatever you call them, and they're properly marked here. And then you have your 1/4 inch. Is that right? 1/4 inch drive E sockets. So again, all labeled here. and then you have your 3/8. It actually tells you where your 3/8 and 1/4 inch. So, excuse me. I'm getting, wow, a little dry mouth just looking at this thing. So sorry about that. So okay, so I showed you guys this. Okay, so back you guys go. Sorry, that was something I said I would show you, and sorry I took it out a little prematurely there. I think that's pretty good. So, alright, so let's take this out again. Sorry about that. Alright, here's the sockets. These are the deep walls. They're all labeled here, so you can see them. Looks like your standard sizes here, metric sizes over there. So I like how it's set up. It looks like the metric is on the right side, the standards are on the left for the most part, from looking at it. And again, I'll take you guys out. Let's just check out some of the ratchets here. Oh man, this is the 1/4 inch. Small little thing, but you know what? It's gonna work. Looks like a little release. Oh yeah, look at that. You can see that. There we go. Push that little button in the back. Probably kicks out the socket for you. Nice. Now I'm not testing it. I'm not telling you that, you know, it's pass or fail. I mean, it's just brand new out of the box. I'm just trying to show you, if you were thinking about it or wondering what's in it, if it's worth the money for you to get it. With me, I mean, I'm building my garage, so I just got a tool chest, and so I'm going to use the trays in here to fill the tool chest. So it's worth it for me. Yeah, okay. That's the 1/4. Snaps in nice. Here's the 3/8. Of course, you know, I got a few of these, but not as nice as this. Excuse me. Oh. So again, same thing. Okay. So that's 1/2 inch 3/8. I'm sorry, 1/4 inch 3/8. The 1/2 inch must be on the next one, but let's see what this is. This is a 3/8 drive flex handle. Okay. Some of these things I've never used. Extensions, another extensions, all 3/8 extension bar. Another extension bar looking thing here. Huh? I've never seen one of these. I don't even know how to use this, but I think I can learn. Anyways, put that one back. So, okay, let's take you guys out. So I'm sure you wanted to take a look. So I'll just go ahead and start left to right. sorry for any glare, but there you go. There's the sizes here. Oh, sorry, sizes on the top here. So I'll try to zoom out here a little bit. Sorry if there's a glare to it. Got your standard sizes here, and then you got your metric size here. It goes all the way up to 19, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Wow, this is one of the few sets that actually goes in the numerical order here, all the way up to 19. If you can't see this, 7/8, 13/16, 3/4, 11/16, 5/8, 9/16, ½ inch, 7/16, 3/8. So it looks like from the middle here, smaller to bigger. From out here, smaller to bigger. So that's what I was saying, standard, metric. And then, so this is the regular sockets that coincides with the deep wall sockets. So same measurements here that go over here, but just a little different. There's no, okay, wow. On the regular sockets on the metric side, you got your 10, so you start at 7. Actually, hold on. Looks like you got 4 going all the way up to 10 and 12, 13 and 14, and I'm not sure this is, it's got to be the quarter, and so that goes 4 to 14, and then it starts again here at 7, and yeah, so there you go, there's your 3/8 drive. So these are all 1/4 inch drive. Let me see here, yeah. And then you got your 3/8 drive that starts from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, I'm sorry, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21, the regular socket, which is not bad. You got, you know, most sets, some of the sets I get at Harbor Freight, you're missing 16, sometimes an 18 socket, you know. Same thing on the deep wall, you're missing a 18 socket, but you could definitely get a 19, but you get a complete set here, which is awesome. And you get 2 10s, both in 3/8 and 1/4, which seems like now I'm starting on working on my truck and my minivan here that I own. 10 seems to be very common. And then you got the deep wall here for the 1/4 inch drive. So there's a deep wall for these, and this goes to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that goes from 5 to 13. Wow. And then same thing here on the standard size. Let me see here. Okay, there's no 1/4 inch drive for any smaller sizes up here, as you can see, compared to the metric. So it seems like this is really weighing towards more metric size here. Oh, I'm sorry, I spoke too soon. Here's the 1/4 inch drives for the metric. Yeah, here you go. So 5/16, well, I'm sorry, for the standard size. Man, standard sizes you really have to, I'll just have you look at it. I'll try to stand really still so you can see what sizes are there. But I've noticed, you know, I'm working on my car, I'm using more metric sizes than anything. So there is a 1/4 inch for your sockets for this, and then you get the 1/4 inch deep wall as well. Excuse me. There you go. Focus. So I'll just show it to you guys. You should be able to see the numbers, hopefully. There you go. All right. So that was a good view. Put you back in. Let's go to the next one. Sorry for all that. I hate to hear it too myself, you know, when I reviewed this. Okay, just have to move this around here. All right, well, that's that one. Oh, so another nice tray, and let's see the tray. See, it's not that thick. It's not that thick. That's why I want to use this in my drawers, and they do fit. All these fit. And this is the last one. I don't think there is a tray for it. It's just in the case. And my plan is, and it's such a nice case, especially this part down here. It's really nice. Unfortunately, I'm not going to use this as a case. I was thinking of cutting it all the way around so it could fit. There's 3 trays of sockets. Sockets, am I right on that? Yeah, pretty much 3 sets of sockets. The 2 trays that you saw come out, and this that I want to put on the lower portion of my tool cabinet, the 30-inch 11 drawer, the bottom portion of it. And there's 3 drawers for it. That's where I'm going to have these, because they're never going to leave my garage. This one I may put, you know, let me pan up here a little bit. This one I may put in the middle somewhere, where I have a deeper drawer as far as the thickness goes. I'll see. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. So that's my plan. That's how I want to do it, because I like the trays I like these as trays, not as a case. So man, this is big. You know, this isn't, of course, you know, impact sockets, but you know, still it's a complete socket. I did buy some extra impact sockets from putting in the trailer, but so let's see what we got here. I might need a little flashlight because I can't even see. Okay. Alright, so the top portion here, portions over here, is the standard size. This portion here is the metric sizes. And let me see, 32, 30, 27, 24, 22, 21, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, and another 11. And these gotta be all half-inch. Yeah, these are all half-inch drives, because the half-inch ratchet is here, along with the let me see, I think this is the supposedly spark plug, I believe. Now you can't see them because they're kind of, but I'll take you guys out. And so it comes with the 2 extension, one right here and one right here. I don't know if you can see that. I'll pull that out for you guys. Oh man, it's in there. There we go. That's an extension here. Let me see, I don't know how long it is. I'll take a look at the set here. And of course, let me see. Okay, so it does come with a deep wall, and this side being metric, and it goes from 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Let me see, 13, 14, 15. There's no 16. Goes to 17. There's no 18. Goes to 19. No 20. Goes to 21, 22, and then 24. So there you go on that one. And then for the standard 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, and 15/16. So there you go, and I'll go ahead and take you guys out. And sorry if this is so long, but you have to admit this is a lot to look at. There you go. So the top being standard, and I'll kind of go slow so you can see all the sizes out there. And the bottom here being metric. Okay. And then the left side here is deep wall, 1/2 inch drives. So metric on the left side, going from here. So it starts out small in the middle and out to the sides larger. This is standard size. And here's what you couldn't see. Of course you saw that 3-inch extension bar. And then these two other sockets here. And then the larger extension and the ratchet. Alright, there you go. There you go. So let's just take the ratchet out since I showed you the last one. And this one's in here really good on the bottom of the case. Oh goodness. Alright. Alright, there we go. And same idea. A little bit bigger though. So we'll push button to push that socket out. Very good. All right. So, oh man. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut out here. The trays are going to be really easy to put in the cabinet. I might just go ahead and just take off the hinges here. Excuse me. Make sure you see all that. So I might just take off the hinges here. It's just a pin, so I can take that out. I may have to take out all the sockets to cut this around. Try to do it as nice as possible. But I like the tray system here. So I'll cut out and then I'll cut back in and show you how it turned out. So hopefully I'm not going to screw this up and ruin a good set here. But I really think that going with the tray idea is something that I want to do and works out for me. Anyways, I'm going to cut out and then I'll cut back in. All right. Hello everyone. Welcome back. And in this episode here, this is my Father's Day gift that I got for myself. And as you know, some of you seen from my previous episode, I got a tool chest. Put a link up there for you to see that. Anyways, anybody, for those of you who are coming back, welcome back. Thank you, appreciate it. Anybody new out there? This is all unedited, uncut, raw footage in first-person view. And so my videos are typically long, and because of that, feel free to skip through, go to the end of this video or the end of the episode series. If there's more than one video, more than one episode, I'll put a playlist at the beginning. Sure. Size sockets work with the 1/2 inch, and then you got your extension, supposedly some breaker bars, pliers, One of these, I forgot what you call them, but Allen wrenches. Geez, just swivel adapters. Just a lot of stuff. And this is going to be the one that is for my garage. It's not going to go anywhere. It's never going to leave this garage, or it's not going to leave my tool chest, that's for sure. I might take my tool chest around my neighborhood, helping people, but it's not going to. This is not for portability. And then here's what it looks like. There we go. If y'all can see that, yeah, there you go. So it's not for portability, and apparently it comes with this. Feel free to click on that. That's if you're on your computer. If you're watching from mobile, I don't know what to say. Nothing will show up for you guys. But there's no coupon for this that I saw. Basically, it was on sale, and I used the 25% discount on this, so it brought it down quite a bit. And I think for what I'm getting here, you know, it's a wonderful deal. Anyways, this is a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty. It's the 301 mechanics toolbox, and I don't need a hammer. I don't need any of that other stuff. I thought about getting the what do they have, the 100-piece tool set, you know, and all that other stuff. I already got some of those tools. I'm specifically looking for you know, socket sets here, and this has pretty much all of it. So instead of me just buying all these all the time, I'm just gonna get it, and I'm gonna put it in my tool chest. So let's take a look at the box here a little bit. It's pretty big and pretty heavy. Before I made that purchase to get this thing, there we go. There's a picture of it in front. There you go, a little bit better. And it comes with a 1/2-inch drive, as you see here. 1/2-inch drive, 3/8 drive, and 1/2-inch, 1/4-inch, 3/8, 1/2-inch drive. Has all the screwdriver bits, hex bits, star bits, precision screwdrivers, the adapters, regular, deep wall, all different size. You know, the smaller size go with the 1/4-inch, the medium sizes would go to the 3/8, and then the larger. You can see the box is big. When I take this off, you'll basically see the hinges back here. You'll see the top portion and the bottom portion being a lot bigger. So this is kind of what it'll look like. I hope that's what it'll look like. As you notice, I'm wearing my cleaner gloves. This is clean after, you know, the tool chest. But my plan is to put this in my tool chest, and I have an idea on how I'm going to do that. I made sure that this fits. First of all, I made sure that this would fit on the bottom chest of the 3-part tool chest that I bought, the 11-inch, 30-inch 11 drawer. It's not even really 30 inches. It's more like 27. But I do have an idea. I know that this size fits. I went to the store. I opened up the display. I opened up the bottom drawers. Those are the bigger ones, and I made sure that this box